Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital banking to make your money moves effortless. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from Zelle to PNC Bank in 2025. With the ever-evolving world of finance, this process has gotten even smoother, thanks to new features and enhanced security. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or moving funds for your business, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Zelle app downloaded on your smartphone and that your PNC Bank account is linked. If you haven't already, open the Zelle app and sign in with your credentials. If Zelle isn't set up, you'll need to verify your email or phone number. It's quick and ensures your transfers are secure. Now, let's get to the main steps. Step 1. In the Zelle app, select Send Money and enter the amount you want to transfer. Make sure to double-check the details to avoid any hiccups. Step 2. For 2025, Zelle has integrated better with banks like PNC, so search for your PNC account as the recipient. If it's not showing up, you might need to add it manually by entering your PNC account details. Think of it as linking your favorite apps. Once added, confirm the transfer details, including the recipient's name and the amount. Step 3. Hit Send, and you'll get a confirmation code via text or email. This is a new security layer in 2025 to protect against fraud, so keep an eye on your notifications. Pro tip: always check your PNC Bank app to verify the funds have arrived. It usually takes just minutes, but can vary. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, contact PNC customer support through their app. They're available 24/7 now. Remember, fees might apply depending on your account type, so review that beforehand to keep costs low. And there you have it. Money transferred seamlessly from Zelle to PNC Bank. This method is perfect for anyone wanting to stay on top of their finances in 2025. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more banking hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.